everybody.
All right, meanwhile, let's talk about this. A major ruling out of a battleground state last night. Georgia's Supreme Court decided that only ballots received, mail-in ballots, by 7 o'clock tonight will be counted after a delay in mailing absentee ballots in one of the largest counties in the state. Fox News contributor and GW University law professor Jonathan Turley joins us right now on Election Day. So they mailed a bunch of them out late.
That's right.
And now the judges say, you know what? Too bad. You don't get extra time.
You know, as harsh as that may seem, I wrote a column about a week ago saying for those of us who've done this before, just cut us a little slack. Just 2 rules. Don't change the rules at the last minute.
Right. And
err on the side of transparency. That's what got us into trouble in 2020,
right.
Is that it fueled the distrust of people. So here in this court, but also in Pennsylvania, the court said, let's not have changes at the last minute. And that'll help us a great deal. And so I think this was a good idea to hold the line.
Absolutely. I mean, if you got a legal question, get it out of the way before people start voting today. In the state of Iowa, apparently there are a couple thousand voters, or rather potential voters, identified by the Secretary of State as non-citizens. So what's going to happen to those people?
Well, usually these states have a provisional ballot option, but they also have curing options. Mm-hmm. We've had this going on now for weeks because you had the Biden administration use the nuclear option, try to get Virginia to put people who identified as non-citizens back on the rolls. And they ultimately took that all the way to the Supreme Court and lost, in my view, for good reason. It's not that we expect there's large numbers of non-citizens voting. That has not been historically the case. But states like Virginia, Iowa, they say, look, it's a crime for non-citizens to vote. So if somebody put down they're a non-citizen, we've got to do something about it. You just can't do what the Biden administration said and put them back on the rolls.
Let me ask you this. Given the fact that there were so many problems last time, which states have really figured out how to do it this time?
Yeah, there is a bit of deja vu all over again. I find myself growing concerned about Arizona.
It could take 2 weeks almost in Arizona.
It seems like that learning curve is a bit long in Arizona. The states that I'm a bit impressed with include Georgia, which I think is doing a great job. Virginia, I think, is doing a great job. Florida is doing a great job. They all tweaked their systems. They're handling this deluge very, very well. And I'm not as concerned about those states. But then you look at some of these other states. You have North Carolina that has about 220,000 ballots that have raised concerns about whether they complied with ID laws. Those are things that are going to linger if this is a close election. The fact is, look, if you see I'm sort of like your cardiologist. If you see a lot of me today, it's probably not good news. But I'm hoping that these will not be a tough issue because it won't be a close election. But if it's a close election, as the margin shrinks, the lawyers increase, and we're going to see a lot of action.
We've got you on retainer all day long. He's going to be napping on a couch in Stuart Varney's office, probably.
Right.
All right, Jonathan, thank you very much. I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.